how to enable true dark mode on iPhone iOS 18, while iOS already has a standard dark mode. This method takes it to the next level by customizing wallpapers, icons, and reducing white points for a deeper, more comfortable viewing experience. First, let's change your home screen settings. Long press on your home screen until the icon starts to tickle tap at it. In the top left corner of the screen, then click on Change your wallpaper to a darker theme. Click on the sun icon to adjust it to dark mode. This gives your home and lock screens a sleek, true dark mode aesthetic. Now update your app icons to match, switch their colors to dark mode style for a cohesive and stylish look. You can either use built-in options or download icon packs that support dark them. But in iOS 18, you can simply click it right here. As you can see, these icons turned black. Next, we'll adjust your phone's white point settings. Go to Settings and then tap on Accessibility here. Find Reduce White Point. If you can't find it, maybe it's not available in your iPhone model yet, just like mine, but if you do have it, just enable it and slide the intensity to around 80% or adjust it to whatever feels comfortable for you, and that's it.